In or out, Jethro? Pick one. In or out? Huh? You gotta decide. Well, yeah, I know it's wet out there, but you're a duck. Look, Charlie's out there. Charlie's out there. What's doing, Henry? Okay, I'm going to close the door now, duckies. Make up your mind quickly. It's getting wet in here now. Can't have it both ways. In or out? What do you think? Huh?